Welcome to the parshealthTV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to have 7 minutes about the pros and cons of peanut butter. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Peanut butter is one of the most popular foods among adults and children. It is delicious. But many people are worried about consuming too much peanut butter. Peanuts and peanut butter contain nutrients that promote heart health and improve blood sugar levels depending on how people use peanut butter in their diet. It can help them lose weight or gain weight based on their diet. However, peanut butter is high in calories and fat. Therefore, people should consume it in moderation and not overuse it. This video is going to be sharing with you the pros and cons of peanut butter. Stay tuned with us. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Benefits for bodybuilders. Many bodybuilders and fitness enthusiasts consume peanut butter for a variety of reasons. However, calories vary depending on height, activity level, and metabolic rate. But the recommended daily calorie intake ranges from about 2,400 to 1,600 calories per day for women and up to 3,000 calories per day for men. However, adult men should consume 3,000 calories per day, while active women take 2,400 calories daily. Thanks to its high calorie content, peanut butter is an easy way to increase your calorie and unsaturated fat intake. Benefits for blood sugar. Peanut butter is a relatively low carbohydrate food, which is high in fat and protein, and some fiber. These properties mean that peanut butter with added sugar has no effect on blood sugar levels and can be a good option for diabetics. It is recommended that people replace saturated fats with monounsaturated fats. They suggest peanut butter and peanut oil are good sources of monounsaturated fats. Studies show that eating peanut butter or peanuts for breakfast can help obese women increase their risk of developing type 2 diabetes to manage their blood glucose levels. According to the study, women who ate these nuts at breakfast had lower blood sugar levels than women who ate breakfast with the same amount of carbohydrates but not walnuts. Prevention of type 2 diabetes. Consumption of peanut butter can also help reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Peanuts are not only high in protein but also high in unsaturated fats. Unsaturated fats will help a lot to improve insulin sensitivity. Good source of vitamins. Peanut butter contains many vitamins that are good for our body to function correctly. As we have said many times and discussing the properties of foods, vitamin A is beneficial for eyesight. While vitamins help strengthen the immune system and heal external wounds faster. On the other hand, vitamin E, found in peanut butter, is an essential nutrient needed by our body to break down fatty acid structures and block arteries. Antioxidant properties. Peanut butter has antioxidant properties due to its folic acid, niacin, pantothenic acid, pyridoxine, riboflavin, and thiamine. One of its antioxidants is resveratrol. Resveratrol is a polyphenolic antioxidant that can be effective in controlling chronic diseases. Cons for stomach. This butter is high in fat and is generally considered a heavy food. As a result, People who overeat and have a sensitive stomach cannot easily digest this food and suffer from constipation, recurrent reflux, and nausea. Cons for high blood pressure. This butter is rich in minerals such as potassium and sodium. Excessive consumption of this butter can increase the amount of these minerals that affect the irregularity of blood pressure, which aggravates the disease of hypertension in different people. Cons for skin problems. In general, this butter is not allowed for people who have skin allergies. But when these people use it, they must keep the balance if their skin has blemishes or acne. The balanced consumption of this butter for all people with different physical conditions is 2 tablespoons during the day. Diseases such as high blood pressure, heart disease and diabetes are among the diseases that many people struggle with. These people should pay attention to their diets and try to consume any food like this natural butter in moderation. In this video, we've talked about the pros and cons of peanut butter. It is good to know that many people who have severe and dangerous diseases should consult their doctor to be aware of peanut butter consumption. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.